This is a practice workbook that I've made for Princess Selah. So every day she has to do something. She has to work on handwriting or word and letter recognition, math, patterns, English, and science. So I tell her she can pick 3 to 4 subjects to work on a day. So for handwriting practice, we have tracing her name, tracing the alphabets, and tracing the numbers. And we also have the lowercase alphabet and the numbers 10 to 100, counting by tens. I also have tracing the cursive alphabet and tracing the sentences, and then she'll have to try to write the sentences by herself. I also have tracing the sight words, and she also has to say the sight words. We have word and letter recognition. So here she'll have to fill in the blanks. And these are the answers. So A, O for bat, cat, and dog. And right here, she'll have to circle the words with the correct ending. So she'll find fat, which has AT, she'll circle that one. Wig, does that have the correct AT ending? No, that's IG, so she won't circle that. But she'll circle SAT, because that has AT. And she'll do that for ON, EN, IG, AN, and OT. Next, we have our math practice. Here she'll have to color the pie chart. So she's learning 1/4, 2/4, 3/4, 4/4, and 1/2, which should just be half of the whole circle, which is the same as 2/4. Here she'll have to count the apples, the bananas on the tree, and trace it to the correct number. And she'll do the same with the apples and trace to the correct number. And she has the equation, so she'll have to count the circles and trace them to the correct number. And here she has complete the patterns. And she did this yesterday.
Yes, yesterday.
Yes, you did that yesterday. Square, square, heart. Square, square,
I'll
heart.
do it again.
Okay, we'll do that again later, but go finish eating your lunch.
Okay.
And here she has to also complete the pattern, but with numbers.
That's a powder.
And then she has English practice. So we teach her months of the year and days of the week. And she has to circle the correct animal words, the color words, outside words, and people words. And here she has to complete the sentence. And here we have a short reading comprehension. I'll read her the story and she'll have to answer the question about the story. And then we have science practice. So we'll do a nature walk and walk outside, and she'll check the box if she finds these. We also have name the parts of a plant. We have sink or float, so we put items and see if they're going to sink to the bottom or float on top of the water. And then she'll draw a picture of a face, a cat, a tree, a flower, or she'll draw her own picture. And this, she just has space to draw anything she wants to draw. And that is her practice homework binder. Today we're going to work on handwriting, math, and science, and English. And we'll we'll save word and letter recognition and patterns for tomorrow. What letter are you doing? You didn't do A.
I did A already.
A, B.
Uh-oh. Where's B?
Next to A.
Huh?
By A. Remember A, B, C.
Oh, right here?
Mm-hmm. D. Why are you coloring it in?
This is wrong.
You do the line and then the circle, remember? 10, do 20. Oh, you're not going in order.
Where's 10?
By 10, right here. 20.
Oh.
20, 30, that's 80.
80.
That's 90. That's 30.
A.
That's not an A, that's a 3. 3, 0, 30.
Oh. I thought it was
Silly.
A. Right
That's
there.
40. That's 50.
5.
And 0. 5 and 0 is 50. And that's 100. Good job. Good job. Now you can erase it. Hold it. Okay, now it's time for math. That's on the inside. So find math. Turn this way. Okay, I think math is over here. Here's math.
You do it in my nose.
Okay, so you can do either the apple trees or the banana trees.
I want to do the apple trees.
Okay, do the apple trees. And don't forget to count. 1, 2, 3.
That's not.
No, keep counting. 1, 2, 3, 4. One more.
Huh?
Here, erase it so you can see. Okay, now. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, where's 4?
I found this. Yes. Uh-oh.
Good job.
Okay, let's see. 1, 2, 3.
No, you started. You can't count after you do it. You have to count right when you touch it. Okay, count.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Okay, where's 7? Okay, draw to 7.
Okay.
Hold it so it doesn't. Good job.
Okay, let's do. Well, I want to erase this.
Do you want to trace it? You can trace it. That's for 0. So we're 0. Good job.
Okay. That's a lot of things.
Count 1, 2, 3,
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Where's 8?
It's right here.
You're so smart.
One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Good job.
6 is right here.
Yes.
But you didn't color the yellow thing.
Oh, I'm sorry. Just trace it. Draw the line to 6. Okay.
Okay, let's do this. 1, 2, 3. I said.
Where's 3?
2. I don't have 3.
Yes, you do.
Oh, 3's right here.
Good job. And the last one, how many is on that tree? How many apples?
1, 2.
Yes.
I found 2.
High five. So smart.
Can I erase it?
Yes, you can erase it. Now we're doing English practice. Let's find days of the week.
Yes, fine.
Here it is.
Here it is.
Okay, let's do it. Let's sing our song. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Okay, what is today? Is today Sunday or Wednesday?
Wednesday.
Yes, so let's write Wednesday.
Wednesday.
W-E-D-S-D-A-Y.
Why?
So what was yesterday? So yesterday means the day before Wednesday. So what's the day before Wednesday?
Day before.
What day is this one? What is this?
Tuesday.
Yes. Tuesday. Yesterday was Tuesday because you had dance class yesterday. And dance class is on Tuesday. So what's tomorrow? See, so today is Wednesday. What's tomorrow?
Tomorrow is Thursday.
Yes, Thursday. And I can't write because
Thursday.
this is an awkward position.
Saturday.
Okay, now Selah, what is the weather outside? Can you see outside? Look, look outside. You said sunny? Yes, where's sunny? Here, mark sunny. All right, mark sunny. This one. You said sunny right here. Just draw a circle.
Oh.
Or a check.
I'll try.
Or a happy face.
A happy face.
Okay.
I can do my hands. I don't know how to do it.
It's okay because you don't have enough space. Okay, now so if it's sunny, is it hot or cold outside? Is it hot or cold outside? Is it hot or cold?
Cold.
It's sunny and it's cold?
Mm-hmm.
No, you told me you were hot. Say hot. So circle hot.
Okay.
No, this one.
Happy face.
Oh, you're going to draw a happy face? But just...
That's a big one too.
Okay. You drew a happy face by hot. Let's see. Hot, happy face. Yes, it's hot. Good job. Okay, now it's science practice. Turn the page. And turn it because we're going to turn it one more time. We have our water here so we can do sink or float. Here, so put it like this. Yeah, just put it right here. Just leave it right there, okay? So this is our water.
Yeah.
And this is our item. So we have bacon, we have an avocado, a toy camera, and a toy ring. Okay, so let's write that right here. No, don't eat it. That's our science experiment. So let's put bacon. B-A-C-O-N, bacon. We have avocado. We have a toy camera.
A toy.
And we have a toy ring.
Yeah, toy ring.
Okay, so Selah, What do you think is going to float? Do you think the bacon is going to sink or float?
Float.
You think it's going to float?
Yeah.
And float means it's going to stay above the water or go underneath the water?
Above the water.
Above? Okay, we'll put bacon right here. B-A-C. So avocado, do you think that's going to float with the bacon or sink to the bottom? Think it's going to float with, you think it's going to float with the bacon? Mm-hmm. Okay, avocado. Okay, now the toy camera. Do you think that's going to float or sink?
Float.
You think the camera's going to float? Yeah. And now what about the toy ring?
Toy ring is going to float.
So they're all going to float?
Yeah.
Oh, we'll see. Okay, so go ahead and put one item in the water. Not the bacon yet, because that's greasy. We'll try the bacon last. So pick the avocado or the toys. Pick
Avocado.
one. Okay, put it in there.
Okay, that's cold.
Don't throw it. Just place it in there softly, gently. Is it floating or is it sinking?
Yes.
Keep it right there. It's floating, huh?
Yeah. Okay, let's do another item.
But keep it right there. Keep it right there.
I'll do another item.
It's floating. Okay, so let's put a check right here. Check, you got that right. So take out the avocado. Put it on the napkin. And now put the camera in there.
It's gonna float.
Let's see. Wow, it's floating.
Nope.
Let me see. It's not. It's sinking. Move your hand so we can see. No, it's sunk, huh? Aw, so look, mamas. The camera, we erase it and we'll put it down here because the camera is sunk.
Yes.
Okay. Uh-oh, you're getting water on there, but it's fine because we can just dry it off. So now try the toy ring.
Yeah.
Let's see. Okay, let go. Watch it. Move your hand. Let's see. Is it staying? It's floating.
Let's take it out.
Okay. You got that right.
Yeah.
And now lastly, let's try the bacon. Is it gonna float or sink? No. Don't touch it. Don't touch it. Let it sink. It sink to the bottom. So the bacon's cross the bacon out and put it down here. So look, Selah, you got two right.
Yeah.
You said the avocado and the ring were gonna float. But the camera and the bacon, they sunk to the bottom. Yeah. Good job. Okay, go ahead and erase it.
You guys need some more water.
Okay, erase it.
Can I eat it?
No, it's wet.
Well, we got to dry it.
If you guys like what you saw, you like the workbook that I made for Princess Selah, you can have your very own. You can find me on Facebook, and here's my Facebook page. I'll show you. Easy Learning Tutoring. And you can go ahead and DM me with whatever your child needs to work on, and I can make you one and ship it to you. So go ahead and look me up on Facebook if you need some extra help. Bye.